In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram Analytics report on Sprout Social. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right data, how to interpret it, and how to package it into a clean, client-ready report. Start by logging into Sprout Social. From the main dashboard, head to the Reports or Analytics section. Both lead you to the insights you need. Make sure you've selected the correct Instagram profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Confirm you're looking at the profile you intend to report on before moving forward. Next, set your date range. You can choose the last 7 days for a quick pulse check, the last 30 days for a broader snapshot, or a custom range if you're aligning to a client's billing cycle or campaign dates. For most client work, monthly reporting is easiest to understand and compare over time. Now open the key Instagram reports and focus on 3 core areas. In profile performance, look at follower growth, impressions, and reach. Impressions show total views, while reach reflects the number of unique accounts that saw your content. Steady follower growth alongside rising reach is a strong signal that your content is expanding your audience. In post performance, zero in on top performing posts and engagement, including likes, comments, shares, and saves, along with clicks. Identify patterns in content type, format, and captions. Saves and link clicks are valuable indicators of intent, not just attention. In audience insights, review age and gender breakdowns, top locations, and when your audience is most active. This helps you tailor topics and posting times to meet your audience where they are. Don't stop at collecting numbers, analyze them. Ask what content performed best and why, which posting times consistently delivered results, and whether engagement increased or dropped compared with previous periods. Look for spikes tied to specific posts or formats, and note any dips that may suggest content fatigue. When you're ready to share, click Export. Choose PDF for a polished, presentation-ready file, or CSV if you plan to slice the data further in a spreadsheet. PDFs are ideal for clients who want a clean visual summary. Add your insights to bring the data to life. Highlight key wins, such as a notable lift from reels or carousels. Share clear observations about what resonated, and outline recommendations that flow directly from the evidence. Finally, turn those insights into action. Commit to posting more of what works, adjust posting times to match peak activity, and refine or retire low-performing content. With this approach, your Sprout Social report becomes more than a snapshot, it becomes a roadmap for growth.